Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Next.js project that I developed which allow you to download Instagram videos from URL. I'm running this project locally here. So this is the interface of the application. You basically granted with this login screen, this input screen where you will paste the URL of the Instagram video. It can be a post, it can be a reel, it can be a story, anything. It must be a video. So now let me just go to any profile and copy the link of a video and simply paste it right here. So after pasting it right here, it will communicate with the Instagram GraphQL API and it will make a request in the background and automatically your video will be started downloading. So you will see this is my video is downloaded right here. You will see this is basically making this request here to this slash API slash download proxy, and this is the actual URL. So once I download this URL, it will be right here. You will see that. So this is an MP4 file here. Successfully we have downloaded the Instagram video. You can see that. So in this easy way, you can basically capture any video. You plug that inside this and it will automatically download the Instagram video for you. So this is the overall project. I coded this inside from scratch inside Next.js. This is, if you need the full source code, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. All the components are divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here, as you can see that. So every component is customizable. Once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using Next.js latest version right here, as you can see. And at the starting, I told you we have communicating with the Instagram GraphQL API to actually get the download links of the videos as you paste the link. So once you paste the link and click download, we actually are communicating with the Instagram GraphQL API. So we are making this request right here, as you can see. So if you're interested, guys, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. So it's entirely coded inside Next.js. It's all, the project is customizable. It's a single page application. It's very easy to deploy as well. And it doesn't have a backend. It's just a single page application. All the functionality is written inside this app project. So if you are interested, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. So we are basically making this request to Instagram GraphQL API in this file. I've written this code right here. So this is an overall Next.js project. So if you are interested, I have given the link in the description. So these are different kinds of scripts that I have written to actually allow the user to download the files. So this is really simple. It is also given instructions as well, copy URL, paste URL, and then download the video. So this is perfectly working application in Next.js for Instagram videos, story videos, reels videos download. Simply paste the URL and instantly it will start downloading. So you can see that. So really simple application. So definitely try this. I've given the link in the description of the video to purchase the source code.